and on we'll go.
Welcome back to a video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing the last unboxing that I'm aware of. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys that the Nokia that I unboxed yesterday, charged it up and it works just fine. So it is fully charged as well. Figured I'd just throw that in here on this video real quick. Let's see if it turns out. There we go. So what's going to do this unboxing is a Motorola L2 for Cingular. Let me pull up the listing on it as well. So here it is. It is with Cingular, as I said. It does work. Let me see if I can find this too. I'm just going to take a look at the phone real quick. Looks like it's taped as well. This was $10 with shipping, it looks like. Yeah, $10 with free shipping. So here's the phone. And it should have charge in it, maybe. It does not. There's a battery, standard Motorola battery. I think these ones also fit in the Crazer K1. It does have a SIM card. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and along with the other ones. And I should do some updates and draw tests and stuff coming up pretty soon, so stay tuned for the next one.